Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to format a flash drive or USB flash drive on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're having problems with the drive, you can go ahead and reformat it. So keep in mind this will delete any files that are on the drive, so just be mindful of that and recover or back up anything that you can before you clear it. So I would highly suggest you do that. And now we're ready to begin. So you're going to start by opening up File Explorer. So either search for it in the taskbar search button, or you can just open up the icon down in the taskbar. And you want to select this PC on the left side, right click on your flash drive, and you want to select Format. Now underneath File System, if you click inside the drop-down, you may want to select FAT32, depending if you're using a lot of Mac and Linux computers with this flash drive. Otherwise, just set it to NTFS. Either or should be alright. I normally keep it with the default one if you're just using primarily Windows computers, but like I said, if you're using a Linux or Mac OS computer as well, you might want to consider setting it to FAT32. Go ahead and keep Quick Format checkmarked and select Start. Warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click Cancel. Go ahead and select OK. And it should say Format Complete. Select OK. And then hopefully that would have been about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.